good. Okay, balik na. 6 minutes per quarter. Ito, Tikape. Pass to Mancia. To 2. Naga. And a whistle for in foul score.
Mansyak lang.
Illustrious foul for jersey number 17. Illegal use of hands, Mancia. Salon, sa ilalim, nice block. Salon again, Tikape, another fake. Paso Aligado, Tikape, pull up number. Pass to Cariaga to Salon. Pagkatibay, akoy! Oh, mo na iprodukto sa Manay Sports Club. Kabareng sa 3. Wala, kulang sa practice. Pagsayo sa Palembang. Simbahon, 2 points. Simbahon, pangtangi po ko oh, dilig pa na Pias Pulanon. 15 to shoot. Here comes Salon, Tikape. Looking for a friend. 8 for the shot clock. Cariaga off the glass. Iba na ang nakulang. 2 points, Cariaga. Last one. A foul is called for jersey number 8, illegal use of hands in goal. First personal fouling kung 2 team fouls Gian Store. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Ay! 2 points! Upat. Upat na lang. Upat na lang kapayukan. Hurot ng ginhawa. Kapamulaan na sila. Cariaga po na riba. Here comes Cariaga. Enters in by Palma. Nice tip. Pass to Kabareng na basketball. Here comes Kabareng. Pass to Manja for 2. Yes, correct. 2 points. Six points lead, Gian Store. 18 for the shot clock. 15 to shoot. 12. 8. Shot clock respect. 2 points. Cariaga. Here comes nice right. Palma. The wall. And foul is gone. When the ball was on the air. A foul for jersey number 17. Illegal use of hands, Aligado. Substitution. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 34 seconds. One point. Nice rebound by Cariaga. Long pass to Minister, and Minister na all the way. Intercept by Ingo. Ingo na with the basketball. Drives and drives. Ingo ganit by Minister. Last ball. Single position. Three minutes and 25.
Mas na doon na yung
Hey, nice dish. 2 points, Palma.
Sutang slalom.
Salon. Nice intercept from Palma. Palma to Kabareng. And Kabareng kami na basketball. Interception. Turnover. Intercept by Aligado. Pass to Salon. And Salon sa 3. Wala. Rams Palma. Si Angkol. Okay, pasag ang Angkol. Si Angkol sa... And for jersey number 17. Okay, substitution, Minister out, Sabiron in, Kabaring out, Iplano in. Another substitution, Cariaga out, Chapto in, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Mancha, 2 personal fouls, 3 team fouls. 18 shot lang. Palma, pasok po. 20 to shoot, ikaw mo Loloy of the glass, yes, correct, 2 points, Loloy. Twenty to shoot, 2 minutes and 18 seconds, 15 second shot clock, Salon, nice block. 2 minutes and 11 seconds, 10 to shoot, 10 to shoot. 8 for the shot clock. Shot clock is up, not counted. 2 minutes,
Back tennis.
Will come again, pass to Palma, who pass, 2 points, Palma. Salon again with a basketball pass to Sabiron and foul is called. While the ball was still on the ground for jersey number 17, Mancha, illegal use of hands. 3 personal fouls, Mancha, warning for penalty. 1 minute and 46 seconds. Sabiron again. Sabiron! Naman! And foul is called, penalty red. A foul for jersey number 01, Palma. 3 personal fouls, Palma. Penalty situation, Gian Store. 1 point. Reserve. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
No.
And a whistle for a foul and unsportsman. Like foul. Isa lang. For jersey number 17, non-sportsman like foul.
All good.
Mancha. Substitution.
Bangga.
Mancha out, Ibanez. Wala pa, kay technical free throw. Substitution. 1 minute and 39.
Manay.
Champo for 3! 3 points. Champo. Unong ang labaw, Gianstone. Here comes in labaw in a whistle for a foul. As called for jersey number 23. Substitution. Aligado. Asalon. Another substitution.
Coach.
Ingo out. Simbahon in. 3 personal fouls, Salon. 2 team fouls. 20 to shoot. 2 points. Ibanez. Balik 8 ang labaw. 20 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Nice tip. Here comes Simbao. And Simbao now with a basketball pass to Palma. 2 points. Nice dish by Mr. Simbao. And perfect finish by Mr. Palma. Seconds to play. 20 to shoot. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. 45 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot clock result 2 points. Palma. 5 seconds left. No more shot clock. 20 seconds.
Dawat.
16.